I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living for ehow.com, showing you how to store sliced pineapple. I have a lot of use for pineapple in my household. I use it in just about every green smoothie that I make, and it's probably one of my favorite fruits. So I have a lot of it around the house. So how I store it is you're going to slice it into either very thin or thicker slices. And there's various ways that you can store it. You can use a plastic bag, but pineapple is going to give off a lot of juice, so you want to make sure to really close that. Just to be safe, if you use a glass container or a plastic container that's got a tight-fitting lid, then you're going to be safe when that juice comes out too. One of the ways that you might want to consider if you use a lot of pineapple of storing it is that cut it into small pieces, and if you have a dehydrator, dehydrate it, because then you can keep it indefinitely. And it also has a wonderful flavor when you reconstitute it. You use the juice for flavoring salad dressings and shakes and all that too. The core of the pineapple doesn't have a lot of flavor, but I go ahead and I use this in my smoothies because it does have a lot of the enzyme bromelain. This is Dr. Linda Joy Rose for ehow.com showing you how to store sliced pineapple.